Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Pixel and Frisket Finds. My name is Michelle and this is a new episode of Come to Work With Me, a series on my channel where we go through the vintage inventory that we have at the jewelry store where I work. If you haven't already, click subscribe. I'm uploading a new video every Sunday and I'd love to see you there again. Let's get digging.
Hello again. Thanks for coming back. Or if you're here for the first time, thanks for being here. Click subscribe so we can hang out again. Trust me, it'll be worth it. We are starting today's episode, as usual, with some boxes. And I don't know, I felt like going with long and slender today. Let's check it out. The first one is from the Bay, and it's got that old school Bay design, and I love that old school Bay design. And let's see what's inside. Ooh, that looks shiny. It is shiny. It is a bracelet. Here, let's get in close. It's silver, silver tone and Aurora Borealis rhinestone. It's hinged in these panels, and it is a fold-over clasp at this end. Here. Now, is there a mark? It is giving some serious Coro vibes, and I would just be so shocked if I didn't find the name Coro on here. I didn't. That was the shock. So anyway, pretty cute. Next box is this one. Textured like a linen texture, gold. And here we have some blue. There's blue in here. So there's this owl with the faux turquoise and silver. He's a pendant, but he's missing a bail up top. And then there's another one, very similar, but he's got some green stone eyes. There's the back side of him. And he's on a chain as well, just a costume chain. And then there's this pair of earrings. These are clip-on, and they are with some faux turquoise and fuzz. And they're pretty cute. This looks like they go together. This is actually kind of fun. If it wasn't for faux turquoise, I'd be down, but I really like the size of it. It's a large pendant, and I like the hinge. I like that. Next box. This one is from Paris Jewelers. That's an old logo there too, isn't it? This pendant, gold roses on a wreathy thing on a gold tone chain. There's also this pendant with the praying hands, and it's on mother of pearl, and it says stuff on the back. There's this one here, a necklace with some like smoky rhinestones and mother of pearl. That's kind of fun though. Oh, it's a bit like penance, isn't it? Looks like I'm gonna throw a birthday party. Next is leaves with a little pearl. There's the back side. There's a lot of wear on it. So this one is a piece of jade. And I strongly dislike that sort of mount. If you don't know yet, now you do. And then there's this pendant, silver tone, piece of abalone in the middle. That's the back side there. Got a couple of things in a bag here I'll dump out for us. And the first thing I've got is a brooch. And it looks like this. It's got kind of a smoky and pink in the rhinestones. And it's that starburst style with the riveting in the back on a filigree base. And I think that's very pretty, but we are missing one. Okay? Missing one right here. So that's unfortunate. And another brooch. Ooh. And this one's sort of champagne-y and Aurora Borealis. And there's the back. Ooh, what do we have? What do we have? It's a Sherman. And that one's going to be probably reselling $40, 45? That's my best guess. I think the colors might be a little rare, so I will certainly be looking into that. And if it is a rare color, then I would maybe double that, actually. There's this bracelet here. It looks like it's going to be good stuff, but it's not. It's not. It's a cheapy. That's okay. It's got a glass, I guess. Yeah. And it's a hinged cuff. And it's just like a brass. There's another rhinestone necklace. I like that. That's that triple feature in the middle there. The back side is not revealing anything for us either. There's no names, no distinct construction, nothing cool like that. Intact. And that's half the battle, isn't it? Oh, I'm a liar! It is missing a stone. It's missing one down the corner. So it's nothing! It is nothing! Into the silver bin, right? It's time for that. Time for silver bin time. What is this? A bag in the bin. Let's see then. Silver eagle. With a little gold-plated heart in the center. And that looks like it could use a good polishing. The back does have initials. It looks like FAH. But there's no other indicator of what I should search. So I will do my best with what I have. And hopefully I can tell you something. Okay, here is a silver and gold bracelet. It's like silver with a gold wash. Cuff style bracelet, and it is very ornate and pretty. Look at that. Look at that cabin with the gold and other buildings and pretty stuff. It's a whole scene. It's a whole scene, but where from? There's something inside. It says GE and sterling. Hopefully I can find something out because it's actually quite nice. And then there is this funky boy here. Why am I drawn to that? It's got like this gold piece that wraps around and through the hole. I don't know, modernist for sure. And in fact, Birks. Sterling Birks 10K. Whether this is solid 10K or plated, I'm not sure. It's probably plated. But that's funky. I could see it as a pendant. No, I can't. A cup. And it says sterling. It's got the numbers 1201 on the bottom and this image of a lion with his paw up on well, a shield with some sort of a character in that shield. And it's just this little silver cup. I wonder if it was part of like a child's set. Maybe there was a bowl and a spoon or something like that. This came out of the small one. Golden Jesus. With stones all around. Do you think they're diamonds? The back side of it looks like this. It's got like a logo going on there. Let's turn on the diamond tester. On the bail it's marked 925. So being 925, the odds of these being stones, and like they are all individually set stones. It's a lot of work. A lot of work for silver. Okay, I got it ready to go. Let's see if we have anything at all. No. They are not diamonds, but there's that. Let's go back. Okay, we have a brooch. A seahorse. So much detail in him. There's a lot of detail, a lot of depth. And it does have a mark. It says Beau Sterling, B-E-A-U. Beau. Nautical theme things. Here's my necklace I wore today. Are cool. And being near the ocean, people are drawn to that. So I think that's a good find. A ring. This one, not that one. And I've turned on my Presidium gem tester so we can test it. This is cool. I really like the way that that's set. I like the wider, almost spoon handle shape that's happening there. And the stone has a redness to it. There is no doubt in my mind that it's garnet, but we will confirm. I'm just going to leave you here. I'll be right back. Garnet, indeed. A fairy pendant. Another thing that people collect. There's a demand out there for fairy stuff. And on the back side, we do have some marks there. And then we have an indigenous spoon, silver spoon pendant. And it is marked on the back. It just says eagle. This is eagle. But that's a pretty good design of an eagle. I see it. I see the eagle. I'm going to go to the big bin again. And I think this will be our last item for this episode. Ooh! Can I show this online? Maybe not. It's actually a really pretty decorative knife. This is the handle here. Really pretty. And it does have some marks here that we'll look at in a second, but the blade is what really is kind of impressive. It's serrated along the top, but there's this really cool design in there. The back side of it is plain, but how cool is that? Marks on the handle. I think I could show you. There. And on the other side, there's more, but I didn't look at that yet. Hang on. It's got the crown. So that's not London and it's not Birmingham. A capital J and a capital B in two circles side by side. There's the crown and the lion and a lowercase n, and the lowercase n has like a hardcore serif, and the squares are all cut corner. Anyway, not jewelry, but still cool. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, click subscribe. That way we can hang out again. I'm uploading a new video almost every Sunday. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.